Have you ever stopped yourself from doing something because you didn't look right, you didn't sound right, you just weren't perfect enough? I know I have, and that's why today I'm making what I'm calling an ugly video. So, if perfection is what stops you from moving forward in a certain area in your life, then this message is for you. My first point is that adding value trumps appearance. So I may not be a beauty queen, but I know, or at least I believe that I have something valuable to say and a way that can help other people. So I have decided to not stop myself from making these videos just because I may not look a certain way, and know that hopefully my words, my messages will resonate with the people that need to hear it most. The second point that I want to make is that authenticity is a huge part of my brand. So if I want to show up authentically, I need to be willing to embrace the ugliness of my imperfections, whether it's how I look, how I sound, how my videos turn out, maybe that my message didn't quite come out the way I wanted to. I need to be willing to be imperfect in various ways in order to truly embrace the authenticity that I want my brand to be about. The third point that I want to make is that building something, building anything begins with just starting. And sometimes when we start, things can be a little messy in the beginning. So for me, building my brand and making these videos, even though it's messy or ugly, means that I need to be willing to just show up, even if it's going to be that messiness, and know that with time, I may be working out the kinks. It may be less ugly, less messy. And the whole point is just to get started. So here I am just getting started with this channel again. And I know it's going to be messy, but I am so happy that I did it. I'm proud of myself. And I know that I'm going to work out the kinks as I go along. And again, it's just remembering that growing is about showing up, even if it's messy, because we don't grow unless we see where the messiness is and how we can improve. And point number four is that most people aren't going to care anyway. I'm going to put out this video and the majority of people are not even going to see it. And those that do may like it, and those that don't like it may actually have some valuable things to say about how I can improve on the video. So it's a win in many different ways. I'm getting the practice because not very many people are going to be watching it anyway. And those that do might like the message and get something from it that's going to help them. But then also the people that watch it and don't like it might actually comment about why they didn't like it. And that will be something that I might be able to take and grow from. So really, it's a win in so many different areas. For years, I didn't do certain things in my life or go for certain opportunities because I didn't think I was pretty enough. I didn't sound right. Maybe I didn't have the right education. Maybe, I don't know, a plethora of reasons why I may not have allowed myself to move forward in different areas of my life. And so this video is to show me that it's okay to show up imperfectly. What's most important is to just show up. And I know that opportunities and growth is going to come in the process. That fear of imperfection, of not showing up perfectly, cost me a lot of experiences. It also kept my self-esteem, my self-confidence low in many areas of my life. And now I just want to show up in various ways, even if it's imperfect. Many times I did show up in life, but I had to feel like I was showing up perfectly. I lost a lot of opportunities because I didn't allow myself grace to show up just as myself with some imperfections. So that is changing now, and that is the main point of this video. So the truth is that I've learned that imperfect action beats perfect action any time of the day. Ugly videos aren't really ugly. They're progress. They're you putting one step in front of the other. It's you telling yourself that you got this. Just do it. Just get started. And you will figure it out as you go along. So, if you've been waiting to feel perfect before you get started with something, stop it right there. Put out that video, do that blog post, do whatever that one thing is that you have been stopping yourself from because you didn't feel perfect. Just do it. Put that one foot in front of the other. Life's too short not to. And if this resonated with you, follow me on my journey. It may be what's going on with you too, and we can support each other in this process of self-growth, building more confidence, and rebuilding our lives after 50. See you in the next video.